Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the next English podcast about a skill that can completely change the way you speak English. The topic is how to think in English and stop translating in your head. Many English learners have the same problem. They hear a question in English. First, they translate it into their native language. Then they think of an answer. Then they translate the answer back into English. This process takes time and makes speaking difficult. If this sounds familiar, don't worry. Today, I'll show you some simple ways to start thinking in English naturally. Let's begin. 1. Why translating slows you down. When you translate every sentence, your brain is doing extra work. Imagine someone asks, "What's your favorite food?" Instead of answering immediately, you think, "Pre-acabar my favorite food." Then you create the answer. This delay makes conversations harder. Native speakers don't translate. They think directly in English. The goal is not perfect English. The goal is fast and natural communication. 2. Start with simple thoughts. Many learners try to think in complex sentences. Don't do that. Start with very simple English. For example, "I'm tired. I'm hungry. It's hot today. I need water." These short thoughts train your brain to use English naturally. Throughout the day, describe what you're doing. "I'm walking. I'm studying. I'm watching a video." Simple is powerful. 3. Name everything around you. Look around your room. Try naming objects in English. Table, chair, phone, window, book, bottle, fan. This exercise helps build direct connections between objects and English words. Eventually, you'll see the object and think of the English word immediately. No translation needed. 4. Talk to yourself in English. This may sound strange, but it works. When you're alone, speak to yourself. Ask questions and answer them. For example, "How was my day today?" "My day was good." "What will I do tomorrow?" "I will study English and finish my work." You don't need perfect grammar. You just need practice. The more you speak, the more natural English becomes. 5. Keep an English diary. Every night, write a few sentences in English. For example, "Today I woke up at 7 a.m. I watched YouTube. I studied English for 30 minutes. Writing helps organize your thoughts. Over time, your brain becomes more comfortable creating English sentences. 6. Learn phrases, not just words. Many learners memorize individual words. Instead, learn complete phrases. For example, instead of learning only hungry, learn "I'm hungry." Instead of learning only busy, learn "I'm busy right now." Phrases are easier to remember and use in conversations. 7. Listen. More English every day. Your brain learns from what it hears repeatedly. Listen to English podcasts, audiobooks, interviews, and videos. Even if you don't understand everything, keep listening. Gradually, common phrases will become familiar. And eventually, you'll start thinking with those phrases automatically. 8. Don't be afraid of mistakes. One of the biggest reasons people don't think in English is fear. They're afraid of making mistakes. But mistakes are part of learning. Every fluent English speaker made thousands of mistakes while learning. The important thing is to continue practicing. Progress is more important than perfection. Conclusion. So today we learned how to think in English naturally. Stop translating every sentence. Use simple thoughts. Name objects around you. Talk to yourself in English. Keep an English diary. Learn phrases instead of single words. Listen to English every day. Don't fear mistakes. Remember, thinking in English is a skill. And like any skill, it improves with practice. Start with just 5 minutes a day. Little by little, you'll notice a big difference. Thank you for listening to the Next English podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, keep practicing, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next episode. Have a great day and keep learning English.